Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at fractions of an amount, okay? I'm just going to do it on the board and I hope you understand it. So, a fraction basically is a number out of another number, okay? So for example, I could do 1/4. This is what I would call a fraction, okay? But there are other different types of fractions. Of course, in my other video, we've done improper fractions where the top number is bigger than the denominator or the bottom number. But really within this, I'm going to be focusing on when the top number is less than the bottom number. Okay, so I'm just going to rub out this improper fraction. So I've got a quarter, and then we're just going to come up with an amount, okay, or just a regular number. I'm going to go for 200. Okay, so with these kind of questions, the way to go for it is by looking at your amount or the number, and then you are dividing it by this number, okay, and then you then multiplying what you have with the numerator. So for example, 200 divided by 4, that goes in a bracket because we're following BIDMAS, which I'll do a video on. And then you're going to multiply that by 1, okay? Now, 200 4 ways might be a bit tough. People may be able to say that that's 50 already, but really what you can do is 4 into 20. We know it goes 5 times because when we count up in 4s, we'll go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So that's 5 times, okay? So, and then we just put the remaining 0 at the end. So this comes to 50, okay? And then that 50 is what we're multiplying by the outstanding 1, and then we get 50. So my answer to this is 50, okay? We'll do another one on the board, just for a better understanding. So, the next one, I think we'll do 2/3 of 66. Yeah, okay. Again, the method still applies here. Picking your amount number and then dividing it by this number and then multiplying it by the numerator. So again, 66 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so again, how many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6, that's 2. And again, how many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6, 2 again. So that means that it's 22. Now that number, we're now multiplying that by the numerator, the top number on the fraction. So 22 times 2, we're just doubling it. And that means that it would come to 44. I'll put one on the board that you can try and see how you get on. If I do 3/8 of 16, okay? Give that one a go. You can pause the video if you'd like. Thank you for trying. So basically we just follow the same method again. We have 16. We have to split it out 8 ways to 8 different people, and then we then multiply that by the numerator. So 16 divided by 8, then now multiply that by 3, which is the numerator. So remember, the 8 is the denominator and the 3 is the numerator. The 16 I've just picked up from there, okay? So 16 split out 8 ways, okay? That comes to 2. Because if I count my 8 times table, 8, 16, that's the next one, so it's 2 times. And then that is what I'm now multiplying by the independent 3, which is the numerator in the fraction. And 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So my answer here is 6, okay? And this is the foundation of fractions of an amount. There will be another video out that will increase the difficulty levels. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've learnt the foundation stage of percentage of amount. Thank you.